Shawty wanna ride Kawasaki. Shawty wanna ride Kawasaki. Shawty wanna ride Kawasaki. You already know that you want me. You're down, down, she down. Kawasaki. She down to ride to see. Know she wants me. The way she moving that body, so naughty on me. Body, so naughty on me.
On the grind for the check. Believe me, I won't stop, not now, not never. And I will never let nobody block my shine, cause it's my turn. That's straight up, real talk.
I guess it's no rest, more checks. If I need a watch for my time, then I'ma cop that Rolex. Who's next? Who's best? I will not settle for less. Till I get myself ahead, I couldn't care what they said. Cause my time's coming, I can feel it. Hard work pays off, I can see it. I've sacrificed a lot, and now I'm near it. Going the right way, but they want me still left. Got my mind set on the wealth, got no time for no one else. Gonna grind like no one will, my shine they'll never steal. Not now, not never, and I would never give up or surrender till they remember who the hell we are. No team, just me, no sleep chasing a dream. Gonna get there eventually, don't believe then you'll see. Been a long time coming, trying to make this something, so there's no point talking if you ain't doing nothing, yeah.
Lately I've been on the grind for the cheddar. Believe me, I won't stop, not now, not never. And I will never let nobody block my shine, cause it's my turn. That's straight up, real talk, yeah.
Real talk, yeah, that made us who we are. Real talk, yeah, we gonna go far. But it wasn't no walk in the park. We really had to put in all that work. Some bridges burn along the way, but you live and learn to find a way. And that makes you who you are today. No time will never ever wait for no one, so we gotta keep